What is up, all you credit repair business owners? Give me 6 slides to show you my solution, my proven solution to getting credit repair clients with absolute predictability. Really quick, leads do not mean paying customers. I'm sure maybe you or somebody you know has dealt with that. Maybe you or somebody you know has bought leads to really account for nothing. This is how most companies get screwed over by other lead generation services. And there's a statistic out there that the average company stays with a lead generation service for around 30 to 45 days. That's not good. It's really not. Reason being is because you don't have an automated way to convert these leads into paying customers. And that's pretty much the entire goal of this. So really quick, I want to explain to you exactly how we get pre-qualified scheduled appointments with absolute predictability. I come from a strong Facebook ads background. And when I ran Facebook ads, I would charge anywhere between $1,500 an ad spend and another grand as a management fee. And what we would promise me and other marketing agencies that you probably dealt with is around 50 leads or 50 appointments scheduled. And considering that, that's coming out to around $37 a lead. That's very high. So pretty much I figured out a solution that's way better than that. And that puts a lot more money into your pocket with a lot less headache, because these leads, a lot of times they're unmotivated people. These people are just information gatherers is what I consider it. And they're unqualified. They're mediocre, lukewarm leads that ultimately just account for nothing. But like I said, let's get out of that management fee phase. Let's stop relying on some other company to bring you customers. And let me show you the ultimate solution to getting credit repair clients absolute predictability. So what we do here is we have a network of realtors, dealerships, and 12 other different sources that as soon as somebody comes in, as soon as a potential client comes in to the dealership or to the real estate office, and they realize that they're not able to afford their car or their house because their credit is shot and they can't get approved for a loan. Those people, as soon as they figure that out, we have an instant integration that those people immediately come to us. So those highly motivated buyers come to us first. And those leads of highly motivated people are instantly inputted into our CRM. And this CRM goes 2 different ways. Let's talk about the appointment campaign that we have. So as soon as this person, like I said, as soon as this person goes to the dealership, find out that they can't purchase their car or their house because their credit shot, these people are really motivated. They want to fix their credit like yesterday in order to buy their dream car or their dream house. Those people are instantly put into an appointment campaign. In this appointment campaign, we send them emails, text messages, and voicemails saying, hey, schedule a time to talk about credit, schedule a time for we can show you how we can fix your credit and get you into your dream house or your dream car in 30 to 90 days. And we send them out. We also send them out a bunch of pictures of testimonials. We also send them a bunch of pictures of actual before and after credit scores. And we also send them a bunch of videos saying, hey, we'll fix your credit. And all these videos are completely white labeled to your individual business. Pretty much the entire goal of this is we get these people to actually schedule an appointment with us. From there, once they schedule an appointment with us, they fill out a little survey so that by the time you hop on the call with them, they're more qualified as well, even more qualified, and you get a good understanding of their background, what you need to specifically do, what you need to talk about with them, so you increase your chances of closing them and actually collecting that dinero. The other campaign we have is like, as soon as these leads comes in, as soon as these people figure out that they can't get approved for a loan because their credit shot, as soon as they figure that out, those people are instantly sent to this other campaign called the call campaign. This call campaign goes 1 or 2 ways. One way is, once again, it sends emails, text messages, and voicemail saying, hey, call me back so we can talk about credit. Same thing, send them pictures and videos and things like that. But those go out to 2 different things. It can go out to a call center, which is kind of, like I said, there's levels to this things. You got to get the fundamentals first. But they can send it out to a call center, and that call center or that virtual assistant we can provide you with can pre-qualify them and schedule an appointment, or they can just close them themselves. You can send them out to a bunch of commission-based closers that we can help you get, and those guys can close themselves. Or what we can do is, from there, as soon as they call you back to fix their credit, or it can just go to your phone directly. And obviously, during the times of your business operations, obviously. But over here on the right-hand side shows our series of campaigns that we have. Biggest thing you need to know is there are 8 different campaigns, specifically for every different situation that a potential client might come upon. Some of the biggest ones that we're super proud of is as soon as they schedule an appointment and as soon as they fill out that survey, a pre-qualification survey or another pre-qualification survey, as soon as they fill that out, we ask them to confirm their call. As soon as they confirm the call, then their appointment is booked, and then we send them appointment reminders, because we don't want to have to deal with somebody that doesn't confirm their appointment, because usually that means that they're not going to show up for the call or they're not serious. So we only want to hop on the phone with motivated people that are actually seriously fixing their credit in order to buy their house or their car or their dreams. And most of the time, these guys are going to book their appointment because, like I said, these are hot leads coming directly from the realtors, directly from car dealerships and 12 other different secret sources that we have. Like literally the day of, as soon as they go into that car dealership, as soon as a person, the dealer says, you're not approved for this loan, he literally presses a button and it's sent directly over to us. And instantly you get that lead. He might not even leave the car dealership and will probably receive calls, text messages, and voicemails saying, hey, we can fix your credit, don't leave the dealership yet, you know? Hey, we'll fix your credit, let's fix it right now, and we'll get you that car, you know? Pretty much, but enough of that, back to the campaigns. As soon as they confirm the appointment, we realize that you're not always able to close them on the first call. It might take 2 calls. So in between the time of the first call and the second call, we put them to a needs nurture campaign, which pretty much sends them emails, text messages, and voicemails saying, hey, we're the best. You know, we're the go-to credit bureau company, sending them more testimonials, more videos, more pictures, saying, hey, we're the best. So by the time they actually hop on the second call, they're more qualified. They're already closed because they already saw your results. And what we do in addition to that, to go one step further, is we also have an integration here that's automated. Everything's automated here. We want you doing extra work. We don't want to waste some time. We have another integration here that automatically puts that person into a Facebook audience, and everybody's on social media, puts them into a Facebook audience so you can run specific ads targeting those people that are in between the stages of the first appointment and the final closing call, so that you can send them ads on their phone through Instagram and Facebook saying, hey, check out our testimonials. This is somebody we fixed the credit who was able to buy this car. Other couple things that we have, another big one is the active client nurture campaign. And in this active client nurture campaign, pretty much what we do is once we actually sell them on something, once they actually utilize the service, we fix the credit, we send them emails, text messages, and voicemails, and we take it one step further by, once again, send them Facebook ads and Instagram ads saying, hey, leave us a testimonial. Hey, leave us a video testimonial. Hey, give us a referral. And we obviously reward for that as well, depending on what you guys want. But if you want to have more information about the CRM, 2 options, book a call, or down below, I have another link to another video where you can actually learn a lot more about the CRM that we have here. But I want to make this video kind of quick. I don't want to waste your time. This is CRM here. Like I said, check out the video or schedule a call. We'll be more than happy to break it down. So where do you go from here? Okay, where do you go from here? Well, you're going to cut out that middleman. You're going to stop paying that management fee, that retainer fee, that grand thousands of dollars a month. You're going to cut out those unmotivated, unqualified leads that amount to nothing. What you're going to do is you're going to schedule a call. You're going to get set up, and you're going to realize that this is actually a lot cheaper and a lot more cost effective to getting more customers on demand with asset predictability. Thank you guys for watching, and click the link down below to schedule a call and start getting pre-qualified, scheduled, and confirmed appointments of people that actually need their credit fixed like yesterday, so they can buy the dream house, the dream car, or whatever they want to buy, whatever they want to get approved for. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you guys there.